Welcome everybody to CPP Tech Build Edition. Can't see without graphics. I don't know if you've noticed this from the other videos, but I went ahead and took the vertical mount out of here because I figured most of you guys aren't going to have that, and it's going to be a lot easier just to show you how to put these in without that. And this is a basic how-to training series anyway, so most of the time you have these I don't know what you call these stupid things, tabs or what have you. So I'm going to take out the screws that I need, but what you're going to have to do is figure out which slots is going to be utilized for your card. You know, you have the 2-slot card, a 1-slot card, a 3-slot card, nowadays a 3.5-slot card. So on this particular board you have the 16X slot, a 4X slot, and a 8X slot. So we're actually utilizing the 16X slot, and since this one is Intel, it's only 3.0, so it's not even 4.0 yet, but it don't matter because we don't have a 4.0 card. So on the bottom of this card you have the PCIe connectors, right? And then you got the slots. So if you notice, you got this notch here and notch here, and this little tab goes up and down, right? You're going to push that down because whenever you click it in there, it's going to click onto this tab right here. All right, so what you're going to do, so long as you've got your holes punched out that you're supposed to, you're just going to go down in here and line it up with those holes, and then it clicks in just like so. So then on over here, right here, you're going to line up these holes with your card, and those screws that you pulled out, you're going to secure it with that. You got that one. And you got this one. Okay, so once that's secure, like this particular card has a 6-pin slot, right? We're not going to worry about cable management too much on this one. Slide that in there, click, and then get up out of the way. We're ready to fire this turd up. Alright guys, moment of truth. We have the motherboard in, we got the GPU in, we got the computer built, we got all this stuff going. It's time to push the button. Oh, turn on to see what posts. What we got? We got anything? Come on, come on, come on. Well, we're on. We got anything? Ah, yes, we got something. Woo! I did something right. All right, guys, so there's the oh no. There's the computer. There it is. We got it on, we got it working, we're good to go. So, alright everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the series. This concludes the whole thing. If you guys like this content, do me a favor, throw a like, a subscribe, share it with your friends. I hope this was all useful for you. I can't remember how many videos there were, but we did short videos on how to install all this. So hopefully that helps you in your future builds. Until then, I thank you for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.